Hey guys, we're doing another unboxing, and today it's going to be on Professor Horace Slughorn. Now let me open the window so you can see it better. Okay, sorry that made it. Okay, so I'm taking it out. I can't wait to see this. This is like, oh my god, it's so cool. There you go. It has like a completely black box. Got the thing with the fabric. Oh, that is really cool. Oh my god, this is like the best. This is like the best wand. I love the curve. I love the curve. So, it's got like slug eyes, because Professor Slughorn. And it goes like this all the way down. My thing, how I see this, is very awesome. And this might be new, but I want to add this to all my unboxing. I'll just play some music while you guys can look at the wand, okay? Okay, so I just realized that I forgot to show you this. So here. Professor Slughorn. It's not doing its job, but okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.